Hello everyone, my name is Stan. In this video, I'm going to teach you explore the world by using Google Maps and Google Earth. Nowadays, many people use a route planner to plan a trip or to look up a specific location. Apart from the built-in car navigation systems, such as the well-known TomTom, you can find various route planners on the internet as well. One of the advantages of online route planners is that they are updated more frequently, and you don't have to be a subscriber to view the most recent information. There is also more local information and photos available than on a regular navigation system. Google Maps is one of the free route planners on the internet. Every spot on Earth is regularly photographed by satellite. With Google Earth, you can display these photos on your computer. This way, you can view your own neighborhood from above or look at other interesting places. Google Earth is not only for fun. It can be a useful tool as well. Before booking your hotel room, you can take a look at the hotel from above and check if it's really close to the beach that you want to be near to, or if the forest they promise is larger than just a few trees. Or you can see for yourself if the nearest landfill is not just around the corner. Before you sign the title deed for your new home, it cannot hurt to view the neighborhood from higher up. In this video, you will learn how to use the main functions of Google Maps and the free Google Earth version. This video includes the following main topics. Firstly, find and view a location and plan a route by Google Maps. Secondly, install Google Earth to your personal computer. View 3D buildings and navigate with Google Earth. Finally, fly to a location, measure distance, and fly into space. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a lot from it. Let's start it. In Chapter 2.1, I'm going to introduce that how to find and view a location on Google Maps website. Step 1 is to open an internet browser, such as Microsoft Explorer or Google Chrome. To use Google Maps, you don't need to install any software to your computer. All maps are stored on the Google Maps website, and you can view them on the internet. Step 2 is to browse to maps.google.com. Please note that don't type www in the web address. You now see the opening window on the computer screen. There are some tips for you to use Google Maps application. The first tip is directly from the Google homepage. You can also access Google Maps directly from the Google homepage. Then, type some searching words in the search box, such as the example on the book. 1600 Pennsylvania AVENW 20500 in Washington, D.C. And then click the search button. The address is indicated on the map. Besides, to find important buildings and organizations, you only need to type their name. For example, we type the keyword for the building Taipei 101. And then click the search button. Finally, you will see the location of Taipei 101. We can click the plus button to enlarge the map. And click the minus button to make the map smaller. We can also use the mouse pointer to drag the slider along the room bar. The second tip is zooming in and zooming out with the mouse. There are other ways of zooming in or zooming out. Double-click the portion of the map you want to enlarge. Or if your mouse has a scroll wheel, you can do it even faster. Roll the wheel forward to zoom in. Everything will be enlarged. Roll the wheel back to zoom out. Everything will become smaller. The third tip is viewing the neighborhood. When you zoom in, you lose the overall picture. In that case, you can open the area map at the bottom right hand side of the window. Click here. You now can see an overview of the area. If you want to hide this map, click the same place again. The fourth tip is Street View. With Street View, you can view photos of the neighborhood. Please drag the human symbol on the map, and then you can see the street view from that place. Please note that Street View is not yet available for all areas. You now see the photo. To move horizontally, click the left or right button. To move upwards or downwards, click the up or down button. While you are moving around the photo, the north is indicated by the symbol N. To zoom in or out, you can click the plus or minus button. By double-clicking a spot on the photo, you can zoom in to this particular spot. This will only be possible if the marked spot appears in a lighter color, and if you see the microscope icon in the marked area. Finally, if you want to return to the map, you can click the X button. The fifth tip is move. To see a different part of the area, you need to move the map by dragging it to a different location. Place the mouse pointer on the map. And then drag the mouse pointer until you see the right part of the area. In Chapter 2.2, I'm going to introduce that how to plan a journey on Google Maps website. Google Maps not only helps you find places, but will help you plan your trips as well. This is how you plan your journey from Pennsylvania to New York. Please click Get Directions first. Type Central Park in point A. And Castle Clinton in point B. Then, click Get Directions. You might see multiple locations called Castle Clinton. First, you will need to indicate which location you want to use. If necessary, please click the place you really want. Depending on the chosen destination, you may need to do the same thing for your final destination. A path is just showing your journey on the map. Click Print button to print these directions. Change route. If you want to follow a different path, you need to drag the path shown on the map to a different location. Place the mouse pointer on a spot somewhere on the current path. The pointer will turn into a finger symbol. The route will display a white circle. Then drag the white circle to the place you want to include in your trip. The distance and the time for the adjusted route is calculated and shown on the left. You can also follow the route step by step. Place the mouse pointer on a direction. The direction will display a yellow man. Click. For all the spots marked with the yellow man, a photo is available. Click this button to move the next point. Now you are going to your final destination. Drag the scroll bar downwards and then click. You will see the final destination on the map. Instead of viewing the location on the map, you can also view a satellite photo. Click this button, and then you will see a satellite photo of the area. You can zoom in to see the detail, just as on the map. In Chapter 2.3, I'm going to introduce how to installing Google Earth application to your computer. Google Earth is a program that lets you view satellite photos of the Earth. To use this program, you will need to install it to your computer first. This is how you install the program. Open Internet Explorer. Browse to earth.google.com. Please download Google Earth. Uncheck the box. Click the button. Agree and download. If the download process doesn't start automatically, click here. Please click Run. The installing process is going right now. Finally, close Internet Explorer and then double-click Google Earth application. You can start Google Earth application. In Chapter 2.3, the topic is navigation with Google Earth. Please double-click the Google Earth icon on your desktop. Here you can see the Earth. To go to a specific location, please type Eiffel Tower, Paris, France in the search text box. You now see the area surrounding the Eiffel Tower. Just like in Google Maps, you can zoom in and zoom out and move the photo. On the photo, you will see a number of other icons and symbols. By clicking them, you will see additional information or other photos. These symbols are stored in layers that you can display or hide as you please. If you want to view the photo without all these symbols, you can disable the layers. Usually, you will only see the picture and you can add all the layers you want to view. If you want to check if there are any 3D photos of the buildings available, check the box next to 3D buildings by layers. You now can see a 3D photo of the Eiffel Towers. You can view 3D buildings from every possible angle. Use the navigation arrows of the joystick to look around the object from a single viewpoint. If you want to go to another location, starting from the Eiffel Tower, you can fly this route on the screen. This is how you fly to the Arc de Triomphe. Please right-click a starting place and then click Directions from here. And then, please also right-click a destination and then click Direction to here. You now can see the route on the map. And on the left-hand side of the window, click a spot somewhere along the route. You will see how long the trip would take you by car. Chapter 2.7 Marking Place. If you want to remember important place, you can add a place mark to them. This will make it easier to find them again. Zoom in until you clearly see the Arc de Triomphe. If necessary, move the photo. By place, click My Place, then click the paper clip. You now see a window. Please type Octatriphy in the name text box. You can type additional information in the description text box. Drag the place mark to the correct location. At the bottom of the window, click the button OK. Now we finish to mark a place. Suppose we are going to visit another place now. For instance, Disneyland Paris. Type Disneyland Paris in the search box. Press search button. You now see different locations again, but you want to return directly to the Octatriphy. By press, double-click Octatriphy. Now you will fly back to the Octatriphy. Chapter 2.8 Up in Space. Google Earth doesn't just offer views of the Earth, but you can also take a look at the Moon, Mars, or the starry sky. Click this button, and then click Moon. You now see the Moon, just as with the Earth. You can click the symbols here to see photos or other information. You can view Mars or the starry sky above you in the same way. Starry sky. And Mars.